Today we're going to do one of the best questions for the chapter buoyancy. So it's given that you have to find the density of oil if density of substance is 800 kg per meter cube. So we have given that the volume of objects submerged in oil is V naught by 3, volume of objects submerged in water is 2 V naught by 3. So we can just equate these. So this will become mg, weight is tons, and buoyant force of oil, buoyant force of water. This would be a standard equation for this question. So we can equate these. Buoyant force of oil plus buoyant force of water is equal to mg. Buoyant force of oil plus buoyant force of water is equal to. I think this much will be clear. I can erase the question. So now we have now got this. So now we can calculate the answer. So that means density of object submerged in oil into volume of objects submerged into gravity. That is buoyant force of oil, which is VDG basically, and water density of water is 1000 into gravity into volume of object 2 V naught by 3. Or we can just do this later. Object in sub, this will be equal to mg. This part also for you. Got the new board, it's good. Now, have you guys understood this part? Okay, for the next part, this basically means that the density of objects submerged, that is, we have to find this, okay? To V naught by 3. Density of objects submerged. Density of oil. Into volume of objects submerged. So this will be V naught by 3 into gravity plus 1000 into gravity into 2 V naught by 3. This is equal to mass. So this you should know. Density is equal to mass per unit volume. Therefore, mass will be equal to density times volume. This should be known by every little child by now. Okay. Now let's solve. So we have got this. So mg is equal to mass is equal to density upon volume. So therefore n is equal to density upon volume. So mass is equal to density into volume. I'm really sorry. So density of object into volume, which is V naught into gravity. So we just cut all the common terms there. Cut V naught, V naught, V naught, cut. So therefore, what we are left with basically here, density of oil. So basically the equation is density of oil 1 by 3 plus 1000 into 2 by 3 is equal to 800. Density of object, it was given in the question. So we can solve this. So we transpose 3 there, it becomes 2400. Therefore, density of oil plus 2000, because 2 into 1000 is equal to 2400. This is the final equation. Therefore, density of oil will be 400 kg per meter cube. 400, yeah, or 4 grams per centimeter cube. Thank you for watching.